Diagnostics have seen breathtaking advancements over the past years. Technologies evolve and improve testing outcomes, but organizational aspects are equally important when designing a laboratory automation system. I think that automation systems that manage the sample flow between instruments will remain as time goes by. When we bought this kind of independent track 10 years ago, we made an investment that left us free to choose the IVD companies we considered best for us. So, freedom of choice was our key criterion in carrying out the project. Buying an independent track forced us to study the various implications of our project in depth. We chose to build it the way we wanted it to be. A turnkey system, on the other hand, you have to take as it is. You don't have a chance to get a lot of customization. I think we made the right choice since we continued to be the owners of the system, and I think this is important. Having an investment in the lab today is a safe choice. It helps you keep your lab. Outsourcing is a quick solution. The track has also been extremely useful in bringing together emergency, urgent, and routine tests. Over 9 years, we have made 4 major upgrades to the track. FlexLab has proven to be really flexible because it easily adapts to the innovations that have taken place over the last 10 years. It has really been reliable and efficient.